Okay, I just emptied the canister in the Dyson. Now it's the Dyson's turn. And all the filters in my vacuums that I use are clean. Oh, and if you're wondering about this, it got chewed up by a dog. Sometimes when you stand it up and then you recline it, the suction's still up here. So the transmission in this is like a little broken. But, so when you take the wand out and you pull up, there's this button, you push it. It's a broken button, so I could just put this on. And sometimes it falls off when I want to use the extension wand. So this Dyson also has some issues, but it still has a hose that works. So I don't even really see the Bissell power. No, it's not a power force. The lift off, I'm going to do a video on that today of cleaning it up. And then that will be like a vacuum I use. So we're going to look at, ooh, this did a good job. Yeah, I think the Dyson did the best job, obviously. So, if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you that all the filters are clean in my vacuum. So, here's the first one. So, tiny bit wet, but that doesn't affect it. And then the HEPA filter is actually kind of plugged up. Not gonna lie, because I don't really care about this one. This has a ton of carbon dust on it. So, there's that. I freaking hate how they made that filter, but I wish this was a DC-33, but I do like this air muscle. But I wish it was a DC-33. It has a nice long cord though, and I just pulled it out of the wall. But before I pulled it out of the wall, it had a nice long cord. By the way, I am going to get a Dyson DC-33 all floors because one of my friends really wants a new vacuum and they might get a new one, so I'll get their DC-33 all floors. This bristles are like super out and I like that. That means they're good. But so come back for when I clean the Bissell lift off. Bye.